Are you confused about how to allocate arrays in Chapel? You're not alone. Many users wonder why Chapel doesn't have the usual allocate or new syntax for heap allocation. Today, we're diving into this topic to clarify how array allocation works in Chapel. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you're used to other programming languages that have explicit allocation methods. But don't worry, you're in the right place to understand how Chapel handles array allocation. Let's look at a specific question from a user. They asked why Chapel uses declaration-like syntax for arrays instead of the typical allocate or new syntax. They also want to know if this means arrays are always allocated on the heap, regardless of their size. In Chapel, when you declare an array like this, it may seem different, but it actually manages memory efficiently. The syntax you see is designed to simplify array management while still ensuring performance. Let's break down how this works. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip about memory management in Chapel that you won't want to miss. To address the user's question about array allocation in Chapel, we first need to clarify that when the user declares arrays like A and B, they are indeed allocated on the heap. This is a key feature of Chapel's memory management. Next, when the user assigns a new domain to the variable dom_c, this action effectively reallocates the array C. The memory for C is also allocated on the heap, allowing for dynamic resizing. The user also asked whether they need to manually deallocate these arrays. In Chapel, the system automatically manages memory, so manual deallocation is not necessary. This helps prevent memory leaks. In summary, the user can confidently use the declaration syntax for arrays in Chapel, knowing that they are allocated on the heap. Additionally, the automatic memory management simplifies the coding process. Fun fact, Chapel was designed to be a high-level language that still gives you control over performance, making it unique among many modern programming languages. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. According to the user, in Chapel version 1.15.0, all array elements are allocated on the heap, regardless of their size. They mention that while there are discussions about potential optimizations for stack allocation, these features have not been implemented yet. Additionally, when you reassign a domain variable, it logically reallocates the array, preserving values that are in both the old and new domains. Finally, the user confirms that manual deallocation is not necessary, as the system automatically manages memory for arrays. Here's the tip I promised. Always be mindful of how you declare and manage your arrays in Chapel. Understanding this can lead to better performance and less memory waste. And there you have it. You now understand how array allocation works in Chapel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights, and remember to keep exploring the fascinating world of Chapel programming.